Hi, this is Mark at Ding Dong's Garden. This is Zitavia white currant. It's one of the earliest white currants to ripen. It's relatively mild in flavor, so it can be eaten fresh. We just entered summer about a week ago, so it's late June, and all of our currant ripening. My understanding is that Zitavia is popular in Europe and the Netherlands. Like all currants, the lighter it is, the more likely it is it's going to be good for fresh eating. Like white mulberries are sweet, but they just don't have that kind of strong taste to it. And if I try one of these, it's a little bit tart, but nothing like a black currant. Like all currants, currants will propagate very easily from dormant cuttings. This is Zitavia white currant. It's a mid-season currant. It's still ripening here for us in early summer.